Once the front cover is removed, you can clearly see the 4-bay hard disk trays. By pressing the clip on each tray, they can be easily unlocked and removed. Now the internal chassis is fully visible, giving a clear view of the organized layout and accessible design for upgrades and maintenance. Our goal is to replace and install two 8GB RAM modules to achieve a total of 16GB memory in the QNAP TS-464G chassis unit, which comes with a default 4GB DDR4 RAM. The QNAP TS-464G chassis has two memory slots, each supporting up to 8GB DDR4 RAM for a maximum total of 16GB. Make sure to install identical DDR4 memory modules in both slots of the QNAP TS-464 to avoid compatibility. The QNAP TS-464 features HDMI and USB ports, allowing you to connect a monitor, keyboard, and mouse, enabling it to function like a basic desktop for direct access and multimedia use. So our task is successfully completed on the QNAP TS-464 by installing two 8GB RAM modules, achieving a total of 16GB usable memory. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more technical videos.